All right, we're back. So we are going to try to mix some slime today, but we always need that secret ingredient. What are we trying today, Stacy?
Mr. Bubble Magic Bath Crackles.
Crackles. Here, let's show them the. So we picked this up. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think you're supposed to put it in like bathtub, and it's supposed to be nice and bubbly. But we said, you know what? This might be something good to try and actually mix it in your slime. So we're gonna try to mix it in the white first and then the clear. And we'll grab some of our white. And there's that.
Are you opening both of them?
Sure. Why don't you give me...
I want the purple one.
You gonna do the purple one? Which one's this?
I guess blue.
Is blue?
I'm assuming
So remember, we got to do the clear, so it'll only pour like
half.
Half, yeah.
Oh, that's not blue. That's like cotton candy.
It's like...
You hear it popping?
It's popped. Can you guys hear it? Here, let me put it like close to the microphone. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Mine's the same color as yours.
Huh. What a ripoff. It's like popping everywhere though.
Scared me.
That is so cool. Well, it's like completely like destroying the slime too.
Is it?
Yeah, like it's...
Oh, it's like... Oh, gosh.
You can feel it in your hands popping.
No, it's like slippery.
Oh, yeah. It's completely... Look at that.
Oh, my gosh.
All right, so there's the white. We'll put the white right there.
Oh, God, it's sticking... Oh, wow.
Throw yours right there. What are you doing, dear? Well,
I think that one's a fail.
yeah, it was. It's actually.
It sounds cool.
It's really cool. It's really cool. Let's do the clear real quick. Can we get some clear? It's still popping too. Like you guys could probably hear it on the microphone. Okay, so we'll do the clear.
Oh, the clear's sticking to me again.
Uh-oh.
Look at that.
I see that. I can barely get any.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, this. I don't know.
Whoa.
All right, let me see if I can put some in here for you guys. All right. Oh shoot!
That's what I did. This one's louder.
It is. It's a lot louder.
Look at that.
Oh my lordy. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah.
Take two.
Take two. What is?
It's making it like a bluish color. That's cool.
Yeah, the clear. Yeah,
But
that is cool.
I can't get it off of me now.
I can't. Here, there's the. That's like it completely dissolved the slime. All right, so this is. Oh, I forgot you opened it from the bottom.
That's where you open it
Oh,
from.
my bad. Okay, yeah, I forgot. I'm like, all right, so this is the Mr. Bubble Magic Bath Crackles. Yeah, so
Maybe this one should be reserved for the bath.
this is going to be a no. We have a huge huge mess to clean up. But
Huge.
you can still hear it too. It's like it's continually going. It was cool. The sound was cool. All right, we got a huge mess to clean up. I'm going to say no to this. This is absolutely a no mix into slime.
Yes,
even though
absolutely.
the sound was really cool, and I can't believe it's still going.
Look, it's
Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it, man. We've gotten so many views this last couple of weeks. We've really enjoyed doing these Will It Mix videos. So check back with us. We'll have some more videos. And thank you guys. We hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll check you next time.